Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert the microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy A51. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box if you have put it back. So then you will find it here. At that place there are the instructions, and on the back you have here the pin. So this is how it looks like, the pin. And if you don't have it anymore, of course, you can use always the nice paper clip. And if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray, and below that SIM tray there's a small hole in there. With the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So then you can have here 1 or 2 SIM cards. In my case, I have 2 SIM cards. And yeah. Take care if you want to insert the microSD card, because the SIM cards can jump out. Let me try it if I can do it well here. So it works. Everything is a bit tiny here. Okay, now it's fixed. So it has to look like this then at the end. And the contacts are below. Okay, and that construction with 1 or 2 SIM cards, now it depends on you. You can insert the SIM tray like this again. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. I want to show you also how you can transfer data from the internal storage to the microSD card. Maybe you can have a look. And yeah, or you can subscribe my channel as well, by the way. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.